Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to display battery percentage inside of the icon on the REALME P3 Lite. So if you want your battery percentage to be displayed in this battery icon right here in the top right, you can enable this option in the settings, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and then scroll down to battery. And here in battery, we're going to enable battery percentage. And there we go. As you can see, it's that simple. So now it displays the battery percentage that you currently have. So I have 91%. And as it drains, it's going to display the accurate percentage. So that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. And make sure to like and subscribe.